Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this vehicle. So from any screen, you can either select telephone there or telephone here up on the top menu. So we click up to the top menu, turn the rotary control, click telephone, and then you've got telephone or connect device. Now, if I go down to the bottom menu, and as you can see there, you've got telephone there, import contacts, delete contacts. We don't want that, so we'll click back, and then we go on to connect device. Select connect device, Barry's iPhone, and you'll see there's a menu at the side. If I click over to that menu and click select, you then got another menu, deauthorize. Click deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone 11? Yes. That's it gone.